Welcome back to DriveFactor, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most opulent SUVs on the planet, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800. This isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a rolling palace that combines supreme comfort with serious power. Whether you're chauffeured in the back or taking the wheel yourself, this beast redefines what an ultra-luxury SUV can be. Let's break it down starting with the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 commands attention with its commanding presence and elegant proportions. The signature Maybach grille is massive and upright, featuring vertical chrome slats that scream prestige, flanked by sleek LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist. Chrome accents abound, from the side trim to the window surrounds and even the exhaust tips, giving it that unmistakable Maybach shine. Exclusive two-tone paint options are available, like obsidian black over rubellite red, adding an extra layer of sophistication. The body sits on massive 23 or 24-inch forged wheels, often in Maybach-specific designs, and the extended wheelbase ensures a stretched, limousine-like silhouette. Subtle badging, including illuminated Maybach emblems on the D-pillars, and a power dome to complete the look. It's not aggressive like an AMG, instead, it exudes quiet authority, turning heads without trying too hard. Aerodynamic tweaks and a lowered stance on certain packages enhance stability at high speeds, while the overall design avoids excess, focusing on timeless elegance. Now, step inside, and prepare to be enveloped in pure extravagance. The interior of the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 is where it truly shines as a mobile sanctuary. Prioritizing rear-seat passengers, the cabin offers executive-style seating with optional four-seat configuration, featuring fully reclining, massaging chairs that rival first-class airline suites. Nappa leather upholstery in exclusive Maybach colors covers nearly every surface, accented by hand-finished with trim, crystal white ambient lighting, and rose gold touches. The center console extends rearward like a private jet, housing refrigerated compartments, folding tables, and champagne flutes. Dual 12.3-inch MBUX screens dominate the dashboard, with a dedicated rear entertainment system including 11.6-inch tablets. Burmester 4D surround sound with 27 speakers immerses you in audio bliss, while fragrance atomizers and ionized air keep the cabin fresh. Noise insulation is world-class, making highway cruises whisper quiet, and features like soft-closed doors, panoramic roof, and heated armrests elevate everyday luxury to extraordinary levels. Customization through manufacturer programs allows nearly endless personalization, from quilted leather to bespoke stitching. Under the hood, the GLS 800 packs a punch with its tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, boosted to deliver around 800 horsepower and over 950 Newton-meters of torque. A significant upgrade over the standard Maybach's 550 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic and 4-matic all-wheel drive, plus mild hybrid EQ boost for seamless power delivery. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds despite weighing over 6,000 pounds. Top speed is electronically limited to around 186 miles per hour or higher in tuned variants. The air suspension with the active body control scans the road ahead, adjusting in real time for a magic carpet ride, while Maybach-specific driving modes prioritize smoothness and serenity. It's effortless in traffic, muscular on highways, and surprisingly composed in corners, blending brute force with refined manners. Finally, pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 starts in the ultra-premium territory, typically around $200,000 to $250,000 base, depending on market and customizations, with fully loaded examples easily exceeding $300,000 when factoring in exclusive options, two-tone paint, and performance upgrades. It's positioned against rivals like the Bentley Bentayga and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, offering incredible value in the segment for its blend of technology, craftsmanship, and power. That's the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800, the ultimate statement in luxury SUVs. If you're in the market for unmatched opulence on wheels, this is it. What do you think? Worth the price tag? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next review.